Chocolates El Rey. Chocolates El Rey takes personal pride in choosing only prime-grade Venezuelan beans. Upon reception at our factory, the dried grains are run through machines to remove all extraneous material. Then they are shelled to expose the nib, or the meat of the cacao kernel, and roasted carefully. A typical day at El Rey's factories. The grinding of the roasted nibs commences. It takes place in high-speed mills in 3 processing stages. This transforms the kernel into a fantastic dark brown viscous mass called cacao liquor, whose valuable fat content in Venezuela is anywhere between 50 and 60%. The liquor is then refined. By subjecting the mass to great pressures, the fat content, or cacao butter, is extracted. The solids remaining in the form of a hard cacao cake are ground into what we know as cacao powder. We're about to start making chocolate now. Different types of end products imply different mixtures. At this stage of the process, other ingredients are mixed in with the cacao liquor. Cacao butter is added. At El Rey, we believe there is no satisfactory substitute for pure, unadulterated cacao butter. Sugar, precise amounts of natural vanilla, and milk if the desired end product is milk chocolate. This solid mix is transported to the refining machines where it is further ground in immense roller mills. Thus guaranteeing a smooth and textured blend, it's reduced to a particle size of 17 microns, which is indiscernible to the palate. Conching, the last kneading stage, subjects the mass to a series of changes. Humidity and volatile acids are expelled and the chocolate is smoothed to its final texture, flavor, and viscosity. Without conching, chocolate would end up being a rough and gritty substance lacking the uniform texture of fine chocolate. Only when it has been determined that the chocolate mass has reached its optimal state of texture and flavor is the warm liquid fed into storage tanks. Temperature is raised and lowered to give this couverture quality product its sheen and velvety texture. This is called the tempering stage, which takes place just before the molding. A glossy, unctuous flow of dark brown liquid is then transformed into chips, discs, or scrumptious bars. A vibrating movement extracts any remaining air bubbles from the bars. The conveyor belt transports the product through cooling tunnels, and finally it is unmolded and the glossy blocks proceed to the packing area. We are very conscientious throughout the fabrication process. Ongoing lab evaluation and direct line supervision are routine activities in our factories. Once the premium-grade Venezuelan chocolate is packed in its various presentations, it is shipped to the best chefs, confectioners, and chocolatiers in the world. Chocolates El Rey.